So I actually asked Claude to explain how AI really works, not the marketing version, the real version. And the answer was simpler than I expected, but also a little unsettling once you get it. Here's the core idea. When you type something to an AI like Claude or ChatGPT, it's not looking anything up and it's not thinking the way you do. It's predicting the next most likely word over and over based on patterns it learned from an enormous amount of text during training. That's it, that's the whole trick. It's the same basic idea as your phone's autocomplete, just scaled up to a level that makes it feel like genuine understanding. And that explains something that trips a lot of people up: why AI sometimes confidently makes things up. It's called a hallucination, and it happens because the model isn't checking facts, it's predicting what sounds right based on patterns. And sometimes the most pattern likely answer just isn't true. You've probably already seen this happen. Someone asks a chatbot a factual question and gets a confident, detailed, completely wrong answer. That's not the AI lying to you. It's the model doing exactly what it was built to do: predict a plausible sounding next word, even when plausible and true don't match. So, why does this actually matter to you? Because AI is already in your phone, your car, your work software, whether you asked for it or not. Understanding that it's a prediction engine, not a truth engine, changes how much you should trust its answers, and when you should double check them yourself. That's AI 101, the real mechanic under the hood, not the hype. If you want more of this, plain explanations with no jargon, that's what this channel does. Catch you in the next one.